Can data hygiene be monitored? To some extent it can. The problem with data hygiene is it's one of those ones where it's the old thing of you don't know what you don't know. And unfortunately, if you've got a large database with many thousands of records, or indeed some of our clients, hundreds of thousands or even millions of records in the database, to actually identify where there are issues is really, really difficult. And so monitoring is required. There's a number of different ways you can undertake monitoring. The typical one would be things like looking at field completion rates, running quality control programs to ensure that the right fields are in the right place, that they're being correctly populated. So you can run processes, reporting, and all kinds of processes like that. But at the end of the day, the only way to know for definite is to unfortunately take the data, run the processes, and identify where the issues are. So yes, it can be monitored, but it still requires that ongoing love and attention that unfortunately data needs to keep it on top.